Well, we're pumping in concrete for a client's house, and it pumps through a long hose that comes from a mobile concrete truck, and then it's put into a machine that goes through a hopper. What a hopper does is feeds the concrete through like a machine that pumps it through that pump. And then at the end, when there's no more concrete left, there's an air pocket that's left over. So at the end, you have to shoot out the rest of the concrete. So they pump up the hopper as much as they can, and they push out that air pocket, creating that explosion that you saw.
Woo!